Hello student, welcome back to final video of quadratic equation practice set 2.6. So as of now we have covered till question number 7. In this session we'll cover remaining question of practice set 2.6, that is question number 8, 9 and 10. Okay, let's proceed immediately. We know the concepts, we have to solve the question. Question number 8 says Pintu takes 6 days more than those of Nishu to complete certain work. This is the first condition. Okay, if they work together, they finish it in 4 days. How many days would it take to complete work if they work alone? Right? So saying that Pintu takes 6 days more than that of Nishu. So Pintu is 6 days more, but Nishu we can assume. So how many days Nishu takes to complete the work? Okay, so let's assume Nishu takes X days to complete one work. Saying that, so she takes X days to complete one work. So one day, how much she will complete? So Nishu one day will complete 1 by X of the work. Let's take example. So there are 10 works and she completes in 10 days. So one day how much work she will complete? 10 by 10. So that is one work. Similarly, she is completing one work in X days. So in one day she will complete 1 upon X, right? Just part of it. Simply. So how much Pintu will take to complete that much work in one day? Pintu will take 1 upon X plus 6 because he is taking 6 days more than of Nishu. Not together. So if they work together, right, in a sync with the friendship, right, so if they work together, so saying that 1 upon x plus 6, so they will complete in 4 days. In one day, then how much work they will complete? 1 upon 4. Simple. I hope you understood. Very simple equation. So together that is 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 6, so they will be doing in 4 days. So reverse of it, 1 upon 4. Now you need to solve this equation to get the answer. How to solve the equation? Now you are a master. Cross multiply. So x plus 6 plus x divided by x into x plus 6 is equal to 1 upon 4. So in numerator it will become 2x plus 6. In denominator x square plus 6 is equal to 1 by 4, isn't it? Again we have a cross multiply across the equal sign. So now it will be 4 into 2x plus 6 is equal to 1 into x square plus 6. Okay, solve it further. So you can write 4 to the 8x, 4 6 the 24 is equal to x square plus 6x. Bring all the element at one side. So x square plus 6x minus 8x plus 24 is equal to 0. So it will be x square minus 2x plus 24 equal to 0. Again, the factor is very easy because their motive to understand the word problem and frame the equation, solve it easily. So factor is what? I can write factor easily. So multiplication can get factor easy. There is one correction here. So after changing the sign, it will become minus. So now factor will be x square minus 6x plus 4x minus 24 equal to 0. Take x common, so x minus 6. Take 4 common, so x minus 6 equal to 0. So x minus 6 or x plus 4 equal to 0. So your answer will be either x equal to 6 or x equal to minus 4. But obvious we cannot accept minus 4. It will be always positive, right? So what we have assumed? So we have assumed you should take x days to complete the work. Now we can say that Nishu will take how many days to complete the works? 6 days to complete the work. So now if Nishu works alone, she will be able to complete in 6 days. Now jump over to the next question. So question number 9. So this question is interesting, saying that you might be aware of what is the formula we are following for dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. So you're aware of this formula, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, because we are studying this formula from long time. So if you read the question, why we write this, why we have written this formula, because of the question. Question says that if 460 is divided by a natural number, so natural number could be anything. quotient is 6 more than 5 times the divisor, and remainder is 1. So clearly written that 460 is divided. So 460 is your dividend. Okay. And divisor divided by natural number. Let's assume your natural number is x. Then quotient is 6 more than 5 times of divisor. So divisor is x. Your quotient will be 5 times of the divisor. Quotient is 6 more than 5 times of the divisor. 6 more than, so 5x plus 6. This will be your quotient. And remainder is 1. This looks very easy how we frame the equation. This is the only important, framing the equation while reading the question. Once you frame the equation, done. Okay. Now simply solve this to get the answer. So 460 is equal to, multiply inside the bracket. So 5x square plus 6x plus 1. Bring all the elements at one side. So 5x square plus 6x plus 1 minus 460 is equal to 0. Now this will become minus 459 equal to 0. Now getting the fraction of minus 459 and 6x, very difficult, right? Someone will be additional smart so they can solve it, but it's very difficult. Do not take chance. Simply we can compare with general equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. You will get a is equal to 5, b is equal to 6, and c is equal to minus 459. Substitute in this equation. Which equation? So factor equation is what? Minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is our formula. Okay. So in place of b, what we will write? 6, right? So b square is what? 6 square, that is 36, minus 4a, a is 5, and this is minus 459 divided by 2 into a. What is a? 5. So 2 into a, I'll write 5, no worries. So x equal to minus 6 plus minus, what is 4 into 5 into 459? 9180. You can do the calculation. So 36 plus 9180. Why plus? Because minus minus will become plus. So 9180 divided by 10. Okay. So minus 6 plus minus, and this sum will be 916. So 9216 divided by 10. Now we have to get the square root of 9216. Now you know that, right? You cannot use calculators. So what we're supposed to do, that we have to find the square root of 9216. How to find the square root? So you should be aware of how to find the square root. For example, 9216, right? Make a pair starting from right hand side. 2 pair should be. Now number is 92. So which number you have to select so that it should not go beyond 92? Say I can say 8. 8 is 64. No, 9 9s are 81, right? So I can select 9. So multiply 9 into 9, 81. Subtract this. Here also you can write, because that will be your quotient. So here subtract this. This will be 92, 81. So it will be 11. And if you add here, it will become 18, right? So 1. And now you have to bring down the another set, that is 16. You have to choose such a number so that we have to write that number over here and multiply the same number with the whole digit. Okay. So you need to select such a number. After multiplying, the last digit should be 6. It should be either 4. Let's assume 4. So 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 8s are 32. 4 1s are 1 3 9, which is very less. Okay. So this is done. So we can assume 6. 6 6s are 36. 6 8s are 48, and 3 51, and 6 1s are 1, and 5 11, and this is what? So 6 you can write as a quotient. So your square root is 96, isn't it? Now I can write our square root is 96. So minus 6 plus minus 96 divided by 10. So our answer will be either, x will be either minus 6 plus 96 divided by 10, or minus 6 minus 96 divided by 10. Simply the other one, minus 1, you can ignore, because we should not take the negative value. So this one cancel. So our answer will be this one, x equal to minus 6 plus 96, that is 90 divided by 10. So x will be 9. And what is x? X is your divisor. That's your answer. You should follow the same approach to get the answer related to this kind of question. Okay, let's jump over to question number 10. Question number 10, they have given the diagram and they've asked some questions. So read the question first. In the adjoining figure ABCD is a trapezium. AB parallel to CD, that has to be because that's the trapezium logic, and its area is 33 centimeter square. From the information given in the figure, length so and so is given. You have to fill the empty boxes. You can fill the empty boxes, no issues, but if you solve, you'll be able to fill the empty boxes easily, right? Let's read what is they have written. So here ABCD is trapezium. Okay, AB parallel to CD. Okay, what is the formula of area of trapezium? So I can say that area is equal to half sum of parallel sides. So here in this case AB plus DC. So AB is x and DC is what? They have already given 2x plus 1, isn't it? Into the perpendicular distance, so that is x minus 4. Okay, so simply line by line you can substitute the value and you will get the blank. So see this x minus 4 you can substitute here. Okay, so after this solving, a is equal to 1 by 2. Inside that you can write 3x plus 1 and here x minus 4, and area is also given, so in place of a you can write 33. So 33 is equal to this, right? No need to panic of division sign. You can simply take division to left hand side. So left hand side will become what? 66 is equal to 3x plus 1 and x minus 4. Now open the bracket. So after opening the bracket, 3x x minus 4 plus 1 x minus 4, I can write 66 is equal to 3x square minus 12x, here x minus 4. So 66 is equal to 3x minus 12 plus x, so 3x square minus 11x minus 4. Bring all the element at one side, so 3x square minus 11x minus 4 minus 66 equal to 0. So simply I can write 3x square minus 11x minus 70 is equal to 0. Okay, now we have to get the factors. So there are multiple ways to get the factors. It's up to us which approach we follow, right? Either you can use formula or you can use completing the square. It's up to you. Okay, so let's write this equation: 3x square minus 11x minus 70 equal to 0. Simply you can compare with the general equation. So you'll get a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 11 and c is equal to minus 70. Substitute in the formula. Which formula? X is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So minus b is what? Minus of minus 11 plus minus b square. What is b square? Again minus 11 square minus 4 into a into c divided by 2 into a, so that is 3. Okay, so minus minus it will become plus, and in square root 11 square is 121, 4 3s are 12, 12 7s are 84, so it will be 840 divided by 6. So solving further, you will get minus 11 plus minus square, this will become 961 divided by 6. The method which I taught you, you can use the same method to get the square root, easy, right? You can make pair from right hand side, so this will remain. So simply we have to take which square, so let's 3, right, everywhere is 3, right here 9, subtract, add this 3 plus 6, 0, bring down another set, right? Which one? Simply I can say this way, very easy. We got the square root 31. I can write minus 11 plus minus 31 divided by 6. So there will be two answers. What will be? Either x equal to minus 11 plus 31 divided by 6, or x equal to minus 11. No, it will become plus, not minus. Plus 11 minus 31 divided by 6. Okay, solving this further, what will happen? So after solving, we'll get two answer. One, x equal to 42 divided by 6, or x is equal to minus 21 divided by 6. So this will not accept because it's negative. We have to accept this one. So that is what? X is equal to 7. So x value we got 7. Now simply we can substitute in the equation and we'll get the answer. When I say x value is 7, so everywhere here you can substitute and fill the equation by yourself. X will be 7 for sure, and simply you can find the other angle. Okay, it's easy. If you have any doubt, please do comment me. Okay, please provide the feedback and do subscribe the channel if you are new, and share to your friend. And we'll meet in your next video. Till then, keep learning.